moving on to the next and last page of our study. We finally made it to our polygon with 10 sides. A 10-sided figure is called a decagon. And that's kind of easier to remember because if you know what a decade is, a decade means that you have 10 years. And so a polygon with 10 sides is going to be called a decagon. And so over here to the right, we have our example of a regular decagon, meaning all the sides are the same and all the angles are going to be the same. And then we have our other figure here, which is an example of a star. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, counting those line segments and labeling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I do apologize, boys and girls. It looks like when we were creating this, maybe we didn't get quite as regular as we needed to be. It's a little hard to try to get all of the sides equal, so I do apologize. Those should be a little more standard. All right, so this would be your decagon. And that concludes our polygon study. So in 5th grade, you are expected to be able to recognize the name and identify polygons up to 10 sides. So if you have this book handy, you should probably review it frequently, participate in class, because this information is something that you will use, especially when you get into high school and you're talking about geometry in high school. You're going to need to go back to the basics, which these are the basics that you will need to remember when applying those rules in high school in geometry. Okay? Make sure you have all of your information down.